everyone, Merry Christmas. I'm going to show you guys how I make this delicious Puerto Rican Coquito. But someone gave this to me as a Christmas gift last year and it was so delicious. It was so tasty. It was nice coconut and the condensed milk and everything in here just creamy and nice. And it was non-alcoholic, which was good. I don't drink alcohol, so it's good that, there's that option. But you can add rum to this. No alcohol is your preference. For me, I'm using rum extract, but stay tuned. So to start the coquito, I am making a tea. So I'm putting some water into this pot and I'm going to pretty much put in some spices in here. That's what the tea really is. It's just some spices boiled up together to give you that nice tea. So I'm putting in some cinnamon sticks, 2 sticks, and then I'm going to put in some allspice berries. Next, I'm going to put in some star anise. This is kind of crushed up. This was the last that I had in the pack, so I just wanted to use it up. Then I'm also going to put in some cloves. Now I'm going to put in some ginger and I'm going to let all of this just boil up together. And once it's boiled, it will seep for a little bit and then I'm straining it out into a cup. This is what I'm going to use to start my coquito. So I'm going to pour that tea into my stand mixer. I'm going to use the whisk for this. So I'm just going to pour that in there first. And then I'm going to add the other ingredients. So with this, it's different from the pancha crema or eggnog. This we use coconut milk and coconut cream. So the first thing I put in there was some whole milk. I don't use evaporated milk, so I used whole milk in place of that, but you are free to use evaporated milk if that's what you use. And now I'm putting in the coconut cream. That's a can coconut cream, and then this is a can of coconut milk. And as I said, the evaporated milk will make it more creamier, so by all means you can use that. I just choose not to use evaporated milk. Right now I'm putting in some condensed milk. I used like 2 cans of the condensed milk. Now I'm putting in some vanilla extract. Now I'm going to put in some ground cinnamon. And I'm grating in some fresh nutmeg. All the measurements for this will be in the description below. So with this, there's no eggs in this. It is just coconut, which I love. I love the fact that there's no eggs in this. I like the eggs, don't get me wrong. I love the eggnog. I love the pancha crema. But with this, it just gives us such a nice flavor, that nice Caribbean flavor. And I'm putting in some cloves, and that's some ground cloves. And this, I don't use alcohol, so I don't drink alcohol, so I am using a rum extract in this. So this is just a flavoring for it. It's like a rum flavor, so it's not going to get you drunk or anything. So kids can have this. It's not something that is, have alcohol, because this drink is an alcoholic drink. You're supposed to put rum in this, If you look at other recipes, you'll see people using rum. I don't drink, so this is a virgin drink. But after you finish whisking this up, you are free to add rum to it if that's your preference. But this was fine just as is for me. So I'm just whisking everything up. I want everything to get incorporated, all that coconut milk and cream and everything. And then I am going to bottle it up. So I put some cinnamon sticks at the bottom of the bottle, like about 3 sticks, and I'm just going to pour this into that bottle, and you're going to let this sit overnight. So you're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it sit overnight, and this thing tastes so good. It is so delicious. It's like one of my favorite Christmas drinks. I got this from someone and I really fell in love with it, and I said I have to try this recipe. So I really hope that you guys try this recipe. I think that you guys will like it, and just try it for the holiday season. It is Puerto Rican eggnog, as someone told me that's what they call it, but it's called coquito, and it's really a delicious drink. I really love this. So you have to leave this to sit overnight. The longer it sits, the better it's going to taste. So I left it overnight, and now I am tasting it. It is so good. So good. And it's just so Caribbean, it's like the coconut and all these spices. You guys really have to try this Christmas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribing to the video, subscribing to my channel, liking the videos help me a lot. So please, that is my Christmas wish, that you guys will like my video and share it and try the recipe. The recipe will be in the description. God bless. Bye. Merry Christmas.